GoHighLevel's new AI funnel builder legit just replaced funnel designers overnight. And in this video, I'm going to show you how this works step by step so you can legitimately become a pro funnel builder in minutes. So the new funnel builder is this. It is not this thing right here. So many people are always talking about this. This is not it. It is this. And how we access this is by going to AI Studio. And if you don't see that yet, you're going to need to come into settings. You're going to need to come to labs, and you're going to need to scroll right down till you see AI Studio and toggle it on, but it should be live already. So there's a lot of things I'm going to show you in this video that I have not put on YouTube before. So please pay close attention because this is going to be very tactical and you're going to become like a pro funnel builder. Also, big thing I want to let you know, which is really important, is that if you have any questions during this video at any time, drop them in the comments down below so I can answer. This gives me feedback, but it also helps you learn quicker. So we're going to come right to AI Studio. We're going to click it. So essentially what this is called a vibe builder. You tell it what you want, you type it in, and then it does it for you. If you don't believe me, check this out. Please build me a world-class funnel for, we'll do Declan's SaaS agency to get people to book a call. I want it modern and high converting. Boom, click enter. I didn't even spell it right. And this thing is going to go to work. That's all we had to do. Anyone can type in a prompt. So then right here, it basically gives us options, which I love. What do we want? Do we want a VSL and direct booking, case study authority, prioritize service? We want VSL and direct booking. We want to get booked calls. We click this, then we click proceed, and then it goes a step further. Boom, look at this. It even plugged in the calendars. Let's like a full look at this. Oh my gosh. I barely gave it anything. Look how good this looks. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I barely gave it anything. It's got calendars, got everything put in. Guys, I literally just said, if we go back to my initial prompt, what did I say? Please build me a world-class funnel, blah, blah, blah. Like I barely gave it anything and it looks good. Now, the key is to use something like ChatGPT and get a real prompt, like the colors you want, the schemes, the numbers, the emails. Like you want to actually give it more than that. Now, I obviously just gave it a tiny bit of stuff, but still, it looks world class. That's what you guys want. I mean, this is really just an absolute game changer. Now, we can add even more stuff to this if we want to upgrade it. So if I come in here and I want to make tweaks, this is the beauty of this new Go High Level AI funnel builder, is that if we want to make tweaks, we just tell it what to do and it does it. So I'm like, hey, make the colors green and dark and make it in French. Boom, enter. Let's watch this thing go to work. Boom, look at this. Switched it to French and changed the color scheme. Do you guys see how powerful this is? I ask it, it does it. And it does a good job. Guys, this is the future of funnel designing. And this is what's interesting, is there will be a level where there's all these other split tests involved to run this exact process, where you can basically have AI create a bunch of different funnel variations for you so you can split test faster. This is arming marketers with the best weapons possible. I think the problem is a lot of you guys are too slow to adopt. So this high-level funnel builder is insane. Here's the crazy part too. If we wanted to come to, let's say, a funnel we like, again, I'm just using high levels for educational purposes, but we can actually copy the URL, okay? Come back in here and just say, copy this funnel, paste it, and it will copy the funnel. You can become a true funnel hacker, okay? Again, you don't want to be copying people's shit. Be respectful of that. That's your disclaimer there, but this is the future. I do not think you guys realize just how powerful this is. And the Go High Level funnel builder on high level has changed forever. I mean, if we come back out here and we come to, let's say, sites, and we go to funnels, the amount of stuff you have to do from blank, from funnel layout, from templates, we click the templates, okay? We then come in, we click the template. We have to, let it load. We go through this whole process just like this, waiting. And then we come in here and then we change the headlines, the fonts, the pictures, spend an hour here, an hour there, domains. Like, you see how annoying this process is? We go through that taking hours, or we come right in here, we go to AI Studio and we tell it what we want. And we get stuff like this in seconds. I'm just saying, this is the future. So if you like what you're saying, okay, and you want to, use these kinds of tools in high level, but more importantly, learn how to sell them, I have a 30-day free trial of high level down below. Not the 14-day, but an exclusive 30-day free trial where if you sign up with me, you'll get access to a bunch of different bonuses, okay? And I'm talking some of the best bonuses you're going to find anywhere else. So I'm talking a community full of winners that you get access to. Every single one of my training videos, snapshots, pre-built out templates, AI prompts to make this work better, sales scripts, and so much more. We have literally everything you could possibly want. But most importantly, importantly, we have 7 live coaching calls you can attend for free every single week. Hey, we got ones with me, we got ones with John, help getting clients advanced, help with sales, learning Go High Level, help with Go High Level systems. I mean, we have all of the calls you get for free. You can message me anytime up here. And we do this so you get the hand holding possible, because one size does not fit all. If you're trying to sell to local businesses, especially like these AI tools and learning how to do this, and even just learning high level in general, you need other people. You can't do this alone. I'm telling you right now, the fastest way to get where you want to go is by going with other people. They say if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go with other people. Telling you, it's just the way this works. You will not ever reach what you need unless you're surrounded by the right people. That is why I created this group, a group full of winners. And check this out, the calls are free. Like, guys, nobody gives away what I give away. This is just it. Like, it is the pinnacle. And if you don't believe me, click the link and you'll see all the testimonials. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. I will answer. If you're interested in high level and obviously this amazing community, just go click the link. But most importantly, I want to have you check out the Ask AI feature, which is even better. I literally love it. It's how you talk to your CRM. I'm going to be linking that video right now. It's going to be a full tutorial on how to use this, how to make your CRM talk. So make sure you watch this video because it is absolutely incredible, guys. It's going to change the way you do everything. And yeah, it's going to pop up in 2 seconds. So thanks again for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.